Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 392, is subsequence. So just going to read out the spec here. Given two strings s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t, or false otherwise. A subsequence is a string. A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some, can be none, of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of remaining characters, i.e. ace is a subsequence of a, b, c, d, e, while a, e, c is not because it's in the wrong order. Example 1, a, b, c, and then t is a, h. So you got a, h, b, g, d, c. So you got all the three characters in the right order, so you output true. Constraints, we've got s is between 0 and 100 and t is between 0 and 10 to the power 4, and both s and t only have English lowercase letters. So I'm going to flip over to my notes here. My idea is that let's think what we have to do. We have to iterate through t, first of all. Iterate through t. We also need some sort of count to say keep a count of characters found. Iterate through t. Starting at 0, or a character of current index of s starting at 0, if s, or if character is equal to if current character is equal to character at counter index in s increment counter, else, or yeah, that's all we need to do. And then we also need to check before that if counter is equal to length of s, then return true. Length of s minus 1. If character is equal to character counter index, yep, increment counter. What else do we need to do? I think that's it really. If you get through the whole of s or of t, return false. Okay. Let's try and implement this now. So for character in t, we are going to check if, oh, we need to do something first, keep a tracker, so say counter is equal to 0, s underscore len is going to be equal to length of s. What else do we need? We need a counter. Okay, if counter is equal to s underscore len minus 1. Don't know if I put brackets there. Then we're going to return true. Otherwise, we're going to do counter plus equals 1. Or if it is equal to, yeah, otherwise we need to do this first. elif character is equal to s at index counter, increment the counter, and then from here we need to just put a return false. Let's see if this works. Hit run. These two got accepted. Let's hit submit. Runtime error. Right, so the empty string is one thing that I kind of didn't take into consideration. So I think we could just add a check up here saying if the length of s is equal to 0, then return true. It's always going to be true if it's an empty string. Okay, let's hit submit and just hope that that's the only other edge case. No. Right, let's have a look at this. So, for character in t, yep, if the counter, so if 0 is equal to 0, we can add another edge case in here. If s len is equal to 1, return s0 is equal to t0. Hit submit. Okay, let's hit submit one last time. I really don't want to have to do another edge case. Come on. Really? So for a character in t, if 0, it should be, no, I don't know why we've got this -1 in here. We can take this out as well. Let's try this. So every test case passes, apart from this first one. Okay, so we check for character in t, a is equal to character, yep, so this is here, so we increment it by 1. If 1 is equal to 3, return true it's not. So we check here, is character equal to s counter, so we know. We go up until we get to here, so this goes to 1. And then we keep on looping around till we get to here, we get to C, and then we return true. I think we'd be better swapping these statements around actually. I think that might be what's causing the problem. Let's try this. So we get 0, 3, then 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hmm. So it should increment on the last one. And then what do we want? Character and S counter. So A is equal to A. Yep. So increment it. And then we check if H is equal to B. Oh, this shouldn't be an else if, this should just be an if, that's why. This should pass. Perfect. That wasn't doing the check every time. So now if we hit submit, finally accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, or if you had some other solution that was a bit more simple or efficient or just different in some way, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems as well as their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.